Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Weatherman collapsible umbrella in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Repellent Umbrella, the original portable travel umbrella. Umbrellas for rain windproof, strong compact umbrella for wind and rain, perfect car umbrella, backpack, and on the go. The Repellent Umbrella Black is designed with you in mind and built to ensure the ultimate protection and comfort in any weather condition. Measuring just 11.5 inches long, 29 centimeters, and less than 1 pound, 15 ounces, it's easily stored in purses, briefcases, backpacks, and more. Repellent Travel Umbrella is fortified with 9 resin-reinforced fiberglass ribs that flex slightly to withstand powerful gusts without turning inside out. It defends against the elements like no other umbrella. To ensure we made the highest quality protection, we created a double-vented and Teflon-coated canopy. This black umbrella lets wind through the top while keeping water out. The waterproof and windproof umbrella canopy will keep your protected partner fighting the elements for the years to come. Number 4. Amazon Basics Automatic Travel Small Compact Umbrella with Wind Vent, Black, 1 size. The Amazon Basics Automatic Travel Umbrella with Wind Vent costs less than our top pick. If you get it in black, the other shades cost more. And due to its vented design and sturdy build, it shrugged off even the toughest gusts during testing. Since 2017, when it first came to our attention, this umbrella has gone in and out of stock several times, making it hard to predict when it would be available. But as of winter 2023, the stock issues seem to have been resolved. Provided that remains the case, this is a solid umbrella. Black full-size travel umbrella closes to a compact size. Canopy automatically opens/closes at the touch of a button. Soft grip handle for a comfortable hold. Wrist strap for hands-free carrying. Measures 11 inches long when fully closed, storage sleeve included. Imported, made of durable steel and 100% polyester. Number 3. Belios Travel Folding Umbrella with Real Wood Handle Auto Open Close Vented Windproof Canopy, designed in UK. Modal. Black white RDALWOD handle. Perfect lifestyle accessory with auto open/close feature. Iconic British design. Designed in Britain, made in PRC. Patented luxurious handmade wood handle. Best material possible. 300T finest fabric, steel shaft, fiberglass ribs, vented double canopy. Artisan craftsmanship and rigorous quality control. 146 painstaking steps, 18 points of inspection. Commitment to excellence, 1-year warranty direct with Belios umbrellas. Free replacement, no limit. Number 2. Lewis & Clark Travel Umbrella. Windproof and water repellent fabric automatic open close. WITRPROF and WINDPROF. Teflon-like coating repels water to keep you dry. Top rated by Wirecutter review site. It survived being turned inside out 20 times in 30 miles per hour winds without breaking or folding. Portable, compact, and light H2WIJHE. Full-size umbrella, 38 in canopy, 16 in arm length. One-touch auto opens/close button. Folds down into a compact 11 in storage sleeve to fit in your car, tote, duffel bag, briefcase, backpack, purse, diaper bag, weighs 10 ounces. Durable, built to last. Made with metal ribs, 3-fold chrome-plated steel shaft, flexible fiberglass tips, and rust and corrosion-resistant frame, offers heavy-duty protection against rain, wind, and sun without needing a big oversized large umbrella. 1-year warranty. Backed by the manufacturer, 1 year from date of purchase, if our umbrella fails you in any way the first year. Number 1. DVEK A Light Ilimbuardla Classic Black. Quality cane umbrella with automatic open, strong, and windproof. As we've established, you don't have to shell out a lot of money to get a great umbrella. But if you do opt to splurge on a timeless stick, the DVEK Elite is worth it. It has a stitched leather handle, a high-quality fiberglass frame, and a 44-inch microfiber canopy. Plus, there's a lifetime guarantee to back it all up. The Elite is available in 3 colors: black, navy blue, and copper. Beyond its fancy materials, this umbrella can really perform. It withstands wind exceptionally well. And thanks to its flexible ribs, it doesn't become a kite when subjected to strong gusts. Instead, it turns inside out and then recovers easily. It's worth noting, however, that the Elite's cane handle measures 5 inches across, which could be a lot for a smaller hand to manage.